Divorce rates are rising. This means more couples face financial challenges. Divorce proceedings often strain finances. It's crucial to understand the impact on your credit. Your credit score is your financial health report card. It affects your ability to secure loans, rent apartments, and even get jobs. A lower score means higher interest rates and limited options. Protecting your credit during a divorce is essential. Many couples share financial responsibilities. These may include mortgages, credit card debts, and loans. During a divorce, these shared finances become points of contention. Who is responsible for what? How are assets divided? These questions can be difficult to answer. It's important to approach these discussions with a clear head and seek professional guidance. Remember, communication is key. Talk to your spouse about your financial concerns. Seek mediation if necessary. The goal is to reach a fair and equitable agreement. This protects both parties' financial well-being. Don't let divorce derail your financial future. Take control by understanding the implications and taking proactive steps to safeguard your credit. Joint financial responsibility doesn't mean identical credit scores. Your credit score is personal. It reflects your individual credit history. This includes payment history, outstanding debts, and credit utilization. However, joint accounts link your credit history with your spouse's. This means late payments or defaults by one person can negatively impact the other's credit score. For example, imagine a couple sharing a credit card. They divorce and one spouse stops making payments. This impacts both credit scores, even if one spouse was responsible. This highlights the importance of understanding joint accounts during divorce proceedings. It's crucial to address joint accounts proactively. Close joint credit cards to prevent future liabilities. Consider refinancing loans in one person's name. Document all agreements regarding financial responsibilities. This protects you legally and financially. Understanding your rights and responsibilities is paramount. Let's meet Sarah and John. They married young and accumulated debt, a mortgage, car loans, and credit card debt. After 5 years, they decide to divorce. They didn't have a prenuptial agreement, their finances were intertwined. They struggled to determine who was responsible for what. Sarah, the lower earner, was concerned about her credit score. John had a history of late payments. They hadn't discussed how to handle their joint accounts. This led to arguments and resentment. It further complicated an already stressful situation. This situation highlights the importance of open communication and financial planning. Discussing finances openly can prevent misunderstandings and protect both parties. It's crucial to understand the implications of joint financial responsibility. This knowledge empowers couples to make informed decisions during a divorce. Don't wait until it's too late. Take control of your financial future today. Missed payments have a significant impact on your credit score. This is true even if the debt was initially joint. Late payments stay on your credit report for 7 years. They signal to lenders that you're a risky borrower. This can lead to higher interest rates or loan denials. Imagine applying for a mortgage after a divorce. Your credit report shows missed payments on a joint credit card. Even if your ex-spouse was responsible, the lender sees you as a higher risk. This can jeopardize your chances of securing favorable loan terms. Missed payments have a ripple effect on your financial life. They can impact your ability to rent an apartment, obtain utilities, or even secure certain jobs. It's crucial to prioritize timely payments, especially during a divorce. Communication with your ex-spouse is key. Establish clear payment arrangements to avoid missed deadlines. Divorce proceedings often involve legal battles over finances. This is especially true when significant assets or debts are involved. Failure to understand the legal implications can be costly. It's essential to seek legal counsel to protect your rights. A lawyer experienced in family law can guide you through the process. They can help you understand your state's laws regarding asset division and debt allocation. They can also advocate for your best interests in court. For example, some states follow the principle of community property. This means assets and debts acquired during the marriage are divided equally. Other states use an equitable distribution system. This considers various factors such as each spouse's contributions and earning capacity. Understanding these nuances is crucial for a fair outcome. Protecting your credit during a divorce requires proactive steps. Start by closing all joint accounts. This prevents further joint liabilities. Convert joint accounts to individual ones whenever possible. This establishes a clear separation of financial responsibilities. If closing accounts immediately isn't feasible, establish spending limits. This minimizes the risk of one spouse accumulating debt on the other's behalf. Document all agreements regarding financial responsibilities in writing. This provides legal protection in case of disputes. Regularly monitor your credit report throughout the divorce process. Look for any discrepancies or unauthorized activity. Report any errors immediately to the credit bureaus. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding your rights and taking proactive steps, you can safeguard your credit and financial future. Divorce can impact your credit score, but it's not the end of the world. You can rebuild your credit and secure a strong financial future. Start by establishing a solid credit history in your own name. Open a secured credit card or obtain a credit builder loan. These tools help you establish positive payment history. Make all payments on time and in full. This demonstrates responsible credit management to lenders. Focus on reducing your debt-to-income ratio. This is the percentage of your gross monthly income that goes towards debt payments. A lower ratio indicates lower risk to lenders. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfer options to manage debt effectively. Remember, rebuilding credit takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and proactive in your approach. Divorce marks a new chapter in your life. Embrace this opportunity to create a secure financial future. Start by creating a realistic budget that aligns with your income and expenses. This helps you track your spending and identify areas for saving. Set clear financial goals for yourself. Do you want to buy a house? Save for retirement? Having specific goals keeps you motivated and focused. Consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice and help you develop a comprehensive financial plan. Remember, your financial well-being is your responsibility. Take control of your finances, educate yourself, and seek support when needed. By taking proactive steps, you can navigate the financial challenges of divorce and emerge stronger and more financially secure.
Please don't forget, like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics video. Disclaimer: the content provided on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The information presented is intended to be general in nature and should not be construed as professional financial advice.